Hello children, how are you? I am here today with yet another exciting poem. Children, have you wondered how our ancestors crossed the river? Yes, they used to either swim across or they used a boat. So today we are going to know and understand how a boat was first made. So this is our lesson, chapter 11, Hamari Nao Chali. Our boat, how it started going. Okay, so here is our mind map for this lesson. Hamari Nao Chali. So we'll see a boy. So first he threw a tehani, पेड़ की टहनी into the water. Then the children, as they were playing, they started throwing big branches of water branches of tree in water. Then tane ka gattha, bundle of cut tree trunks. We'll see about that, how they threw that also and what happened. Then we came to the boat. Then after the boat, the now. Boat is now, hamari now. Now is a boat. Then after the now, we constructed a ship. Ship का निर्माण किया गया. Ship is जहाज. Let us see some of the new meanings in this chapter. Purke is पूर्वज, that is our ancestors, our fathers, grandfathers, grandparents, parents, ancestors. तीर नदी का किनारा, that is a river bank. निर्मल is साफ, that is clean and pure. निर्मल पानी, pure water. टहनी is शाखा or small branch. Then we have achamba is hairani, to be surprised. Khilwad is khel or game. Lattha is moti lakdi or a log of wood. Okay, big fat thick wood. Sagar is samudra or sea. Naukaye is nave. This is plural of nauka. Nav is the singular, plural is nave. So that is boat, boats. Let me explain to you this chapter. So there were some children playing near the river bank and there was this boy. He threw a stick in the water, a tehani. तो वो क्या हुआ? The tehani started to float. Then the children tried to throw some branches. Those also started to float. Then they started to cut the trunks of the trees and then they thought, will this float? So one by one they started trying, big logs of wood. Then they made rafts. उसको कहते हैं पेड़ का बड़े तने का गट्ठा. So made rafts like this. So they can sit on it and they can cross the river. Then they started they got new ideas, they became more creative and then they made boats. So then this is how boats were made, because it was made of wood and it was not sinking. वो डूब नहीं रहा था, because see, if a chalk, it is sinking, the wood will not sink. So that is how they started to make boat and they started crossing the big river. Imagine that this is a river and then they started next to make huge ships, jahaj. So that was the summary of this poem. Now let us go through this poem line by line. Okay, so children, let us go through this chapter, this poem. इस कविता को हम पंक्ति पंक्ति देखेंगे. हमारी नाव चली. So our boat, it started to go. नाव है बोट. सो आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है. सो नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. सो दैट इज द इफ यू आर इन नीड ऑफ समथिंग यू विल ट्राई टू इन्वेंट समथिंग. सो सभ्यता के विकास के साथ जब नदी पार करने की आवश्यकता हुई तब नाव का निर्माण हुआ. इस कविता में नाव के निर्माण के बारे में बताया गया है. सो एज एन एज people started to becoming more cultured, they started to cross the river. there was a need that they have to cross the river, and then the boat was constructed. So this poem talks about the construction of the boat. आओ भैया तुम्हें सुनाएं सुंदर एक कहानी, है नहीं राजा रानी की पर है बहुत पुरानी. Come dear ones, भैया is like brother. Let me tell you of a beautiful story. Sundar is beautiful, kahani is story, which is not of kings and queens, but it is a very old story. So it is purani, is very old. छोटी छोटी नावें देखो हमको सैर कराती. So see these small boats which take us for a ride. Sair means it's a ride, takes it for a ride. पानी पर अटखेली करती सभी ओर ले जाती. So it plays on water. It's called it plays on water, like it moves in a playful manner. The boat, it moves in a playful manner as if it's playing on water, and it takes us all around. सभी ओर ले जाती, सभी ओर is all around, it takes us all around. कुछ पुरखे थे बसे हमारे नदियों के ही तीर. So we had our ancestors, some of our ancestors, they used to live, base means they settled near the river banks. Okay, so they could get kand, mool, फल खाकर जीते पीते निर्मल नीर. So kand is roots like shakarkand, like sweet potato, and mool, radish, and all these vegetables, root vegetables and roots. Fal is fruits. They used to eat these things to live, and then they used to drink nirmal neer, that is pure water. Neer is water. सोचो तो जब नाव नहीं थी तब हम क्या कर सकते. So think about when we did not have boats, what did we do at that time? How did we cross the long and deep rivers? Long is lambi, gehri is deep. Lambi lambi gehri nadiyan कैसे पार उतरते. So par means how did you cross. So you have to think about it. What did they do? They perhaps swam across. So that is how they used to do, or they used to just stay and no need to, they used to not cross at all. लड़के खेला करते थे नित बैठ नदी किनारे. So some boys used to regularly, nit is regularly, so they used to play near the banks of the rivers. तैर कभी कुछ पार उतरते कुछ रहते मन मारे. So some used to swim and cross the river, but others didn't have the courage to swim across. रहते मन मारे means they used to just not have the willpower to cross the river. एक खिलाड़ी लड़का आया लिए पेड़ की टहनी. So there came a spotty boy. He took a twig of a tree. Actually टहनी is it can be a small twig, or it can be a small thin branch of a tree. जोर लगा पानी में फेंकी रही तैरती टहनी. So with his full might, what did he do? This boy, he threw this टहनी in water. And then what happened? The टहनी kept on floating. It did not sink. हुआ अचंबा सबको बेहद टहनी जरा न डूबी. So everyone was surprised, very much surprised. Behad is very much, because this टहनी did not sink one bit. So जरा न डूबी means one bit. It not डूबी is sink. It did not sink. इधर उधर मंडराती जाती यह थी उसकी खूबी. So it was just floating and moving along with the water, with the flowing water, here and there. Idhar udhar is here and there, and that was its speciality, because the speciality of wood is that it keeps on floating, it does not sink. लड़के सब हो गए इकट्ठे करने को खिलवाड़. Then all the boys, seeing this wood was floating, they all gathered to play this game. Which game? They started throwing long branches. लगे फेंकने लंबी शाखें, long branches of trees. People हो या ताड़. So the branches of people tree or palm tree. So branches of any trees they started throwing, and they were seeing, is it floating or not, will this float or not. वे सब के सब रहे तैरते बड़े मौज से बहते. Each of it kept floating and moving with the water. लड़के उनको देख खुशी से आपे में क्या रहते. So the boys, seeing it with glee, couldn't control themselves. Then what did they do next? पानी पर क्या तैर सकेगी मोटी लकड़ी भारी. So now they are thinking, will this heavy fat logs of wood, will that float? The small thin branches were floating. Now will this float? बड़े पेड़ का तना काटने की तब हुई तैयारी. तैयारी is preparation. So now they started to prepare to cut the barks or the trunks of big trees. Why? To test, will that also float? रहा तैरता बड़ी शान से बड़े पेड़ का लट्ठा. So the logs of big trees kept floating with pride. शान is pride. That also kept floating with pride. उसके बाद गया तैराया बड़े तने का गट्ठा. So then what did they do? Then they floated the bundle of big trunks. बने like गट्ठा is bundle. Okay, so this is the gatta. You can also say like raft. So gatta is bundle. बनने लगी तभी से नावें is plural of नाव, boats. छोटी बड़ी हमारी. Since then our boats started to be built which were big and small. पानी से क्यों कर डर लगता विजय हुई थी भारी. So why would we now scared of water? Dar is fear. Why should we fear water? Because it was a great victory over water. They had conquered. Now they can cross the river, the big long deep rivers. सागर हमने जीत लिया है छूट गया डर सारा. We had won the sea. All our fears were lost. डर छूट गया, lost. चले चीरता उसकी छाती बड़ा जहाज हमारा. And our ships, जहाज is ship. It kept moving on the seas as if it was ripping off its waters without any fear. चीरता means rip off like that very fast. अगर नहीं वह छोटा लड़का टहनी को तैराता. So if that little boy had not floated that small thin branch or twig in water, बनती कैसे ये नौकाएं क्या जहाज बन पाता. Then how could these boats be made and could anybody make ships? So children, this is the poem written by S.P. Khatri, and this boat you can make with ice cream sticks like this. Like this ice cream sticks, you can cut it in shape and glue it with Fevicol. So you can do it in any shape or size, you can make it. Do this activity at home. And children, so this was the story how boats and ships were made. So children, you saw how a boat was made just by a simple experiment by a small little boy. Now, कैसे बनी जहाज कैसे बने. So now you can go through this poem, line by line, word by word, and try to learn this poem and understand it once again.